Today I'll show you how to troubleshoot an LG dishwasher AE error. This error usually means the dishwasher has detected water where it shouldn't be, often from a leak or excess moisture. In this video, we'll quickly go over what causes the error and how you may be able to fix it. The AE error code typically means the dishwasher's leak detection system has been triggered. If the appliance senses water in the base of the machine, it will stop the wash cycle and display the error to prevent possible flooding. There are several common causes for this error. It can happen if there is a small leak inside the dishwasher, a loose hose connection, or too much detergent creating excess foam. Sometimes water simply collects in the bottom tray and triggers the leak sensor. Start by turning off the dishwasher and unplugging it if possible. Check around the machine for visible leaks or loose hoses. If water has collected in the base pan, allow the dishwasher to dry completely before restarting it. In many cases, resolving the AE error is as simple as addressing moisture or a minor leak. Regularly checking hoses and using the correct amount of detergent can help prevent the problem from happening again. If the error continues, a technician may need to inspect the dishwasher.